Come on! What kind of black liquid is that? Are you sure it's safe? But I trust my friend. Redhead applies the mask with a brush like a real artist. Spread the mask evenly onto your face. Make sure to avoid your delicate lip and eye area. Even your nearest and dearest won't recognize you in this ninja mask. Now, you need to wait for it to harden. It will take about 15 minutes. I wonder what my friend is doing in the meantime. Redhead is making a fruit salad. She is cutting up strawberries and bananas. I'm sneaking up from the back like a ninja. I want to try a piece of fruit. But Redhead takes everything away. It's not for eating, but for a face mask. Chop strawberries and bananas and add some cream. Use a blender to get a smooth mass. Mmm, tasty! My friend comes back with a nourishing face mask. Well, she's made a sweet mask for herself, but not for me. Redhead takes her hair away and applies the strawberry banana cocktail on her face. Of course, her gentle moisturizing face mask looks and smells way better than my ninja mask. Banana and strawberry is a match made in heaven. She even put some fruit on top for decoration. And I get boring cucumbers. Okay then, I will put them on my eyelids. They will take my fatigue away. Now it's time to enjoy peace and quiet. At last, I can get rid of the black mask. Taking it off is not pleasant, but the result is totally worth it. The pores are free from the black dots, and I've got baby soft skin. I'm fresh like a morning rose. Applying a moisturizing cream after this mask is a must. Your skin will appreciate it. Now that your face is okay, it's time to take care of your shining smile. Redhead is not satisfied with her smile at all, but her friend knows a great teeth whitening life hack. We use a simple and effective way for a flawless smile and snow-white teeth. Grind activated charcoal into powder and mix it with toothpaste. You get a black mixture. Redhead is puzzled. It looks as though it's going to make my teeth dark. But Blondie is sure about the whitening recipe. Don't worry, just try it. The teeth whitening process requires some courage. Redhead takes the plunge and applies the black toothpaste. And an awesome Halloween look is ready. We wash off the paste and see that the teeth have become whiter. Repeat this procedure for a few days to get a better effect. What's happened to my friend? She's put too much makeup on her face. Her eye and lip makeup is way too bright. We need to do something with it immediately. Remove the excess makeup and keep in mind the main makeup rule. Always keep a sense of proportion and put the right accents in your makeup. If you do eye-catching lips, then you shouldn't emphasize your eyes. And vice versa. If you want your eyes bright, don't stress your lips. Accentuate either your lips or your eyes. And if you mix up everything, you might get a carnival mask, but not sophisticated makeup. Well, this is way better! Once you've come to grips with your makeup, do appropriate summer nails. What about something bright and gentle at the same time? Cover your nails with a white nail polish base. Put a few drops of nail polishes of contrasting colors on a flat palette. Dip a small piece of a sponge into each color. And print it lightly on the white base. Decorate the nails with clear glitter. And fasten it with a coat of clear nail polish on top. This subtle summer nail design is very easy and quick to do, and it looks creative and sophisticated, as though you have made it in a nail salon. Now, you just have to choose a summer outfit, but this is a whole different story. Did you like our beauty life hacks? Then write in your comments which beauty rules you follow all the time and which ones are new for you. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new useful videos on the Troom channel.